Sure. My name's Jeffrey Metz. I'm one of the partners at the firm. I run our appeals division, and I've been doing appellate work for more than 30 years now, and have done appeals in all the state courts, the state appellate courts, and several federal courts as well. Well, because the thing that's very attractive about working here is the mix of people. We have, along with myself, three or four other, I'll say, seasoned attorneys, for lack of a better word, together with a lot of young, up-and-coming attorneys that were sort of taken from the top of their class and fairly eager to learn, how to practice. And what's nice is that the senior guys are very generous with their time, and everybody sort of works together, and there's a good symbiosis that really ends up, I think, serving the client in a really special way. Great. Myself, I mean, I've learned a lot about different aspects of real estate law that I hadn't known before. I've learned some technological stuff from some of the younger people here. And I hope that I've been able to impart some of the experience that I've gleaned over the years to some of the youngsters as well. Because what's very nice here is there's really a collaborative effort. I mean, every case that I work with, I'm working with an associate, sometimes two, and sometimes I'm working with a partner and associate, depending on the nature of the project. So there's input, and there's a lot of, people with different specialties bringing different ideas in there. So sometimes, getting another set of eyes on a set of papers, or another person in brainstorming, gives you an opportunity to discover more arguments than you might come up with yourself. Well, I think what I think is what I like about this place. I mean, if I was a young attorney doing this, it's you get the scholarship of the white shoe firms here. But I think for a younger person, instead of being sort of stuck in a closet for years looking at discovery requests and things like that, we get our attorneys involved pretty much right from the beginning. So you are getting with the senior partners here, with all that different specialties, you're getting a taste. You're getting a taste of trials, appellate work, motion practice, transactional, all that kind of stuff. And for somebody who's just trying to figure out where to go with their career, gives them an opportunity to see if one particular area is where they want to specialize or not. So and you also get thrown into court fairly quickly too. Which is something that other firms, I know for sure, that does not happen to the young people. You make your own opportunities. I mean, there are, like I said, there's a lot of very talented people here, and the better you do, the more the partners would want to work with you on future projects. What I like about this place as well is that it's an informal atmosphere. I mean, even though there's very high stakes work that's going on here, I think that there's still a level of I don't know what the word is, jocularity maybe. Like everybody's really kind of friendly. And well, yeah, I mean, I could say that I spent the bulk of my career at another firm where I was an equity partner, and for the last 5+ years I've been here has been sort of a resurrection of my career, just in terms of my intellectual curiosity, and the kind of cases and people that we're working for. So it's really very exciting on that level.